Okay, now we're going to look at the contents of the box, what was in the box close up. Okay, in the small parts box, we took everything out. We have the fender braces for the front fender. We have the stem right here. The Springer fork head accessory right here. Pedals, grips, seat post, sissy bar reflector, wheel reflector, front reflector, and here is the assembly sheet. It's double-sided. The tools are in there as well, and a sticker sheet, and that's everything. Also, here's the banana seat, and here's the sissy bar, and you can see the sissy bar caps right there. They're black, so it's hard to see on this. And the sissy bar clamps are already on the bike.